This is the unboxing of Wham Q4. Today I am going to unbox this Wham Q4. Let's see what are the accessories comes with this box. Let's see the functions of this phone. Okay, let's open the box. This is the brand new Wham Q4 here. Let's see that Wham Q4 phone mobile. Keep it aside. And this is pouch also, we are getting pouch in itself, the box itself, and some accessories, booklets and accessories, some details. This is the accessories we are getting from these phones. Let's see what are the accessories we are getting in this phone. This is charger. That is normal charger, traveling charger, Wham Q4. Keep it aside. And this is a data cable, data for data syncing. And this is headset, normal headset. You can see 3.5 jack. Keep that side. And this is battery, that is 1800 milliampere battery. This is the Wham Q4 brand new mobile. On the right side you have the unlock button, and back you have signature of Chris Gale, and 5 megapixel back camera, and front camera is 2 megapixels. And on the left side you have volume rocker buttons, and at bottom you have keys. That's it. Okay, that's it for a review about the softwares and mobile details. Next video we can see. Thank you. Bye.